Google's DeepMind just released Alpha Genome, and you need to understand something. Somewhere right now, a parent is fighting for their child's life against a disease written in a code we couldn't read until today. 98% of your DNA has been a mystery. 3 billion letters that decide whether you inherit the same heart defect that took your father's life or live into old age. For decades, we dismissed it as junk DNA, while hidden in those sequences were the answers to why lives were cut short. One letter, that's all it takes, one letter out of 3 billion. Change it, and suddenly the body turns against itself. A single typo in the novel of your existence, and everything changes. Alpha Genome can read 1 million letters of genetic code at once. In 1 second, it does what used to take scientists years. When tested on a form of blood cancer, it revealed the precise mutation mechanism, something that once required years of painstaking research. Here's the part that should stop you cold. We can finally read the verdict hidden in your DNA, but we can't rewrite it. We can now see the exact letter that decides whether someone survives, but we can't yet change it. It's like watching someone trapped behind glass. You can understand exactly what's happening, but you can't intervene. Imagine this. Within your cells are codes that explain your future health. They've been there since birth, ticking away like unseen timers. For decades, it looked like nonsense. Now Alpha Genome can read it line by line, mutation by mutation, with terrifying clarity. And the price of this discovery? Human struggle. Years of medical trials, personal battles, and loss. We taught a machine to decode life by feeding it an encyclopedia of suffering. Here's the truth. Every one of us carries hidden risks. Some do nothing. Others strike without warning. That illness that claimed your relative, that condition that seemed to come from nowhere, those stories might already be coded inside you. Alpha Genome can't tell your personal fate. Google admits that. But it can show researchers how mutations unravel lives, one letter at a time. And it's free for research because putting a price on maybe saving lives would be unthinkable. We're not just reading the book of life. We're reading the book of human fate. And for the first time in history, we finally understand the language. We just can't change the words yet. And remember, you yourself might not need to read genomes, but you can start speaking the language of AI. Grab my free AI glossary and join the revolution.